BJP geared up for the upcoming Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections to be held in the early months of 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath are frequently addressing in the public meetings in Uttar Pradesh. BJP is well aware that how crucial these Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections are for the BJP, because winning in UP will make their way easy for the 2024 Lok Sabha election, and a defeat in UP means the path for 2024 Lok Sabha elections are going to be too difficult for the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP, from the day one, from now itself, they have started taking up ideological issues, their core ideological issues, because they are much aware of the situation on the ground. There are many experts who are saying that this election is not going to be so easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and there are experts who are saying that BJP may even fall short of majority, and it is a matter of concern for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and now itself they have started raising all the ideological issues, and there are so many months left, 3 4 2 3 months from now are left for the elections, and now itself they have used all their issues which they should have used in the last stages. But BJP is much aware of the ground reality that things are going out of their control. On the other side, there are large number of gatherings being observed in the opposition camp. In the opposition parties rallies, there are people thronging in large numbers, and BJP is much aware of the situation on the ground. Why is BJP so concerned about Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections? In the 2019 Lok Sabha election, BJP got a massive majority, and they have got 300 seats in the Lok Sabha, 300 plus seats they have got, and the large number of seats came from Uttar Pradesh. BJP got 64 Lok Sabha seats from Uttar Pradesh out of 80, and BJP won three consecutive elections in Uttar Pradesh. They have won 2014 Lok Sabha elections, they got 71 seats. NDA BJP plus got 71 out of 80 seats in 2014, and then in 2017 elections they got 300 assembly seats, 300 plus assembly seats the NDA got, and in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections BJP got 64 seats. And it is not just in these 7 8 years that the BJP has performed so well. In the 90s as well, when Kalyan Singh was the chief minister in Uttar Pradesh, at that time also BJP got around 50 Lok Sabha seats only from Uttar Pradesh, and it is Uttar Pradesh which will ensure whether BJP will get a majority or not in the 2024 election. What is concerning to the BJP? What is BJP much concerned about? After 2019 Lok Sabha elections, elections in various states were held, and elections for the local bodies were held in various states in our country. And in every election, it was noticed that the BJP's vote percentage declined sharply. In Haryana, BJP's vote percentage in the assembly elections compared to the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, it came down 22%. One can only imagine that what a magnitude it is, how difficult it will be that if a party is losing around 22% seats. Same happened in Jharkhand, same happened in the recently concluded West Bengal assembly elections, and in the Kolkata municipal elections which were held few days back in Kolkata. There also BJP's vote percentage has come down. In the Ludhiana, in the Chandigarh municipality election, BJP's vote percentage came 20% down. And if the same trend continues in Uttar Pradesh, then situation is going to be too difficult for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And if 15 to 20% of the vote de- decrease is witnessed in the Bharatiya Janata Party's overall tally, if their votes decrease by 20% in Uttar Pradesh assembly election, then they will lose more than 100 assembly seats, and they may even lose up to 150 seats in Uttar Pradesh, and they are well aware of this. And on the other side, they have a popular face. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is considered as the most popular person in Bharatiya Janata Party. He is believed by the Bharatiya Janata Party that he is a crowd puller. People throng in his rallies and people take a decision after listening to his speeches. This kind of things are said by the Bharatiya Janata Party. There will be floating votes always, and those floating votes take their decisions only when the election campaign is at peak. At that time, those floating votes those people who haven't decided, they take a decision at that time. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi being so popular, despite that, BJP failed to get a majority in Haryana assembly elections after 2019. And in Karnataka also, though they failed to get a majority of their own in the assembly elections. In Delhi, they have lost the elections. In West Bengal assembly elections, we have seen the BJP, which was claiming that they will have their government, that did not happen. Their seats increased, but they had very big expectations on which they failed. And similarly, in various other states, in Jharkhand, in Maharashtra, everywhere BJP's vote percentage has come down drastically, and this is the fear which is haunting Bharatiya Janata Party in Uttar Pradesh. If this same kind of trend continues, then things and situation in Uttar Pradesh is going to be difficult for the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP would like to win Uttar Pradesh. They want to win Uttar Pradesh because it is the Uttar Pradesh assembly elections results which will decide that in which way the Lok Sabha elections in 2024 will move and what will be the outcome and how things will shape. It is a very deciding moment for the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as for the other political parties who are going to and who are contesting in Uttar Pradesh assembly elections.